Okay, good day everybody. Mike here. Time for another little vid here on shotgun adapters. These two particular adapters that I have are made of aluminum, and they are rifled. They were originally made by a company called Dyna Arms, which is no longer in business as far as I can tell, mainly because these were purchased from Numeric Arms, which I'm pretty sure they just buy out people that have gone out of business. Anyway, they're aluminum. They are rifled. I have no idea how long they'll last under the conditions that I've been shooting them. Generally, I go low power. They're for obviously for a 12 gauge shotgun. This one is a 38 357 Magnum, and this one is 44 Magnum. And I have shot them quite a bit. I've done a bunch of testing. There is a bunch of data on my website if anybody ever wants to go there to look it up and read about my success and failure with them. They have one interesting little feature here. On the inside there's a small rubber washer, or O-ring, sorry, which I think it just basically keeps the shell from falling out. These are fired so they don't go in as smoothly as they normally would if they were sized, but I've got 357 mag here, and then I've also got 38 special, and then this is 44 mag, of course. Now the problem I've run into with these things is building enough velocity to stabilize the bullets. So in the 38 special 357 adapter, I've been shooting mainly these 148 grain double-ended wad cutters, and they are just totally unstable. Using light loads of things like Trail Boss and stuff like that. I'm hesitant to go up in power because I don't want to damage my shotgun. My shotgun is much too useful to me for other testing, and I can't afford to buy a new one. I'll work my way up slowly, but these things just will not stabilize out of such a short barrel, because you have basically a little over an inch of acceleration before you lose all pressure. It's just not, these are standard shotgun shell length, actually 2.5 inches. Yeah, both of them. So the 148s, they just don't cut it with what I've been using so far. These are 125 grain full copper plated Campro brand bullets made in Canada, and I have had a little bit of luck with these. They are definitely flying stable, but I'm not getting any really useful groups out of them yet. However, I haven't really shot for groups. I was testing mainly for stability to begin with. Now on the 44 Magnum adapter, I have had a limited amount of success. These are 200 grain full copper plate Campro made in Canada, and these are 240 grain. And I have had stability with both these bullets, and I'm getting close to finding an accurate load. I'm not really looking for high velocity. I'm just looking for trying to make my shotgun kind of double duty. I guess that's the fun in shooting, right? We all have our different things we're interested in. And with this one, I'm kind of interested in trying to get a load that I can use cheap bullets in at low velocity for, you know, rabbits or grouse or something like that. And then maybe, you know, higher velocity loads with the 44 mag. It could be used for oh, there goes YouTube, things falling on the floor. Used for big game. You know, in British Columbia, I can hunt deer legally with any center fire. You know, even a 17 Hornet if I wanted to. I wouldn't, but I could if I wanted to. So these would be legal for deer. Although I'd be far better off using a regular buckshot round. Anyway, that's just a quick look at the Dyna Arms aluminum rifled 12 gauge adapters that I've been experimenting with. 357 mag and 44 mag. Have a great day, everybody. Okay.